के शेर रख जाए, चौको चक्को की बरसात। ओए होए भंगड़ा बाके, सुन लो बाजी शेरों की ये दहाड़। गुड़गांव लेजेंड्स की महफिल जमी, अब ये ज्वाला नहीं एक आग है। निगाहें बल्लेबाज पे और निशाना डंडों पर। गेंद आए एकदम गोली की रफ्तार से, गिल्ली उखाड़े धरती से ये, देखो हमारे गेंदबाजों का ये स्टाइल। गुड़गांव लेजेंड्स की महफिल जमी, अब ये ज्वाला नहीं एक आग है। गुड़गांव के जवानों के
GLCL 2025 के 5वें मैच में आज का मैच ब्लेज वॉरियर्स और रेड हॉक्स के बीच खेला जाएगा और दोनों कप्तान हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, टॉस के लिए रेडी हैं। टॉस करा रहे हैं हम। ब्लेज वॉरियर्स ने टॉस जीतकर पहले बल्लेबाजी का निर्णय लिया है। आपकी क्या टारगेट रहेगा सर? रेड हॉक्स को कितना टारगेट देना चाहेंगे आप?
आई थिंक पिच इज लुकिंग गुड फॉर बैटिंग, तो हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि 180 के अराउंड टारगेट रखें। 180 शुड बी गुड एंड ट्राई करेंगे कि अपना बेस्ट दें और 180 स्कोर अचीव करें, प्लस जितना भी हो सकता है।
गुड लक सर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका क्या ओपिनियन रहेगी सर आज के मैच को लेकर? पहला मैच आप जीत के दूसरे मैच की तरफ बढ़े हैं, तो आपकी क्या ओपिनियन रहेगी आज को मैच को लेके आज की?
जी ओपिनियन तो सेम ही है, आज भी जीतना है एंड कोशिश करेंगे उनको मिनिमम टारगेट पे हम रोक पाएँ। अगर हम उनको कंटेन कर पाते 140-50 में, तो आई थिंक हमारा चांस है बहुत बढ़ गया यहाँ पे। और पिच लग रही है अच्छी, बट कई बार डिसेप्टिव होती है, तो हम आज वही उम्मीद करेंगे कि वैसा ही है, तो we'll try our best to restrict them.
Okay sir, thank you. Good luck sir.
That might have given them the confidence. Here's first ball. Full length delivery played along the wrong. A single taken to open the account for Blaze Warriors. That's high. Has the height? Has it traveled the distance? It will travel the distance. Sandy Yadav on strike this time over the fielder's head, over the cover point region, and that will roll away for 4 runs. Struck hard, cross switch hit, and this might just be the boundary. And guess what? It's 2 back-to-back boundaries with what the batters are planning to think and do. And that will be a boundary for his side. Flicked away this time between the fielders, and that will go. Again flicked away this time, and what an over this time. Pawan Vats is getting one doing the anchoring, the other supporting. I think this is maturity. Oh, Flick wanted to cut away, but it's just that struck hard with immense power and flawlessly. There's no chance for the fielders. Slight shift towards leg stump. Oh, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. Will that travel? No. Just stops. Yes, Blaze Warriors have lost their first wicket. The solid opening 64-run stand coming to its conclusion, and Surinder, last ball of the over, struck hard. Appeal and gone. That's the 3rd wicket. Onto the pads and gone. That's the 4th wicket falling. Onto the pads and out. As beautiful as the delivery could be, 2 back-to-back wickets for Pawan Vats. Here's the first ball, shimmy down the track, and they'll start off with just a single.
Tractor. We offer scaffolding solution paired with skilled labor, a complete hassle-free solution. Shri Balaji Scarf.
That struck, switch hit beautifully. That should be a 6. It will be a Mario Super 6. And it gets so important, you know, when a batter is dismissed, when a team loses a wicket. That struck, cross it, switch, and that's 6 runs. Oh, struck straight, and 6. Can a team chasing today win? Do let us know in the comments, what do you feel? Do send us your vote. Struck hard again. This is mightier than the earlier one, and it's 6 again. Full toss. Pulled away towards deep backward square leg for 4 runs. Last ball of the over, struck hard into the night sky for 6 runs over. Struck along the ground. Full end delivery. Cross hit. So the fielder's head, over the fielder's head for 6 runs. Our title sponsor DSR Homes and associate partner Mario for their unwavering support in the successful conduction of this tournament. Half century is on the board. Struck high. What's the end result? And finally Praveen gets the big fish. Swung hard, has gone straight and will. Last ball of the over. Struck hard, misfield. That's up in the air and a good catch by the wicketkeeper. The second wicket falling. Cut away and a great catch. Player. Swung away, sweep shot. This time, one bounce over to the rope. Sarath brought into the attack for the first time. Onto the toes for a Yorker, and that'll be a boundary. DSR home. A boundary to finish the 11th over. Does look a match to be the icebreaker. Struck hard over the fielder's head. Should be a DSR home super boundary, and rightfully is. Pretty much the story. Rajan and Maddie should be enough. That's got height. Has it traveled the distance? One bounce over to the ropes for 4 runs and all just one hit away from victory. They will be mighty pleased with this effort. Stepping down the ground. Is that it? It is. That's it. That's it from the match. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for tuning in. And you were hearing me, your commentator, Damini Basu. That will be end from this coverage of the 5th match of the Gurgaon Legends Cricket League Season 1 2025. And I'll just update you that after today, we meet straight on the 6th of October with this tournament. Yes, so after today, it's a lengthy 1-week gap. And on 6th October, we'll be back. So until then, do take care of yourselves. Enjoy the festival and it's good night.